How to revolutionize your business with AI in 5 easy steps. Imagine transforming your small business overnight. Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. Imagine waking up tomorrow and finding your small business suddenly operating like a well-oiled machine, effortlessly handling tasks that used to eat up your precious time. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, let me tell you, it's not as far-fetched as you might think. AI isn't just for tech giants anymore. I know what you're thinking, AI? That's for the big players, not for my modest operation. But here's the thing, artificial intelligence isn't just for Silicon Valley anymore. It's a game changer that's becoming more accessible every day, and I'm here to show you how to harness its power. What if you could compete with industry leaders? Picture this, your small business going toe-to-toe with industry giants. Crazy? Not at all. With the right AI implementation, you can level the playing field and even outmaneuver larger competitors. Are you ready to take that leap? Unlocking the power of AI for your small business. The AI revolution is here. Are you ready? The AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here. And trust me, it's not slowing down. As a small business owner, you might feel overwhelmed, but embracing AI could be the best decision you'll ever make for your business. Why small businesses can't afford to ignore AI? Let's face it, in today's fast-paced business world, staying ahead of the curve isn't just an advantage, it's a necessity. AI offers tools that can streamline your operations, boost productivity, and give you insights you never thought possible. Can you really afford to let your competitors have all these benefits while you're left behind? Your guide to navigating the AI landscape. The world of AI can seem daunting. There's a lot of jargon, a ton of options, and it might feel like you need a PhD just to get started. But don't worry, I've got your back. This guide is designed to cut through the noise and give you practical, actionable steps to bring AI into your business. Meet your AI implementation expert. Oh, where are my manners? I should introduce myself. I'm not just another tech enthusiast, I've been in the trenches, helping small businesses like yours implement AI solutions for years. I've seen firsthand the transformative power of AI, and I'm here to share my knowledge and experience with you. Unlocking AI's potential, your business's digital revolution. Identifying AI opportunities in your business. Let's start by looking at your business with fresh eyes. AI can help in so many areas, from customer service chatbots to predictive analytics for inventory management. We'll walk through a simple process to identify where AI can make the biggest impact in your specific business. First, let's look at your day-to-day operations. What tasks are repetitive and time-consuming? These are prime candidates for AI automation. Maybe it's data entry, scheduling, or sorting through emails. AI tools can handle these tasks quickly and accurately, freeing up your time for more strategic work. Next, consider your customer interactions. Are there ways AI could enhance the customer experience? Think about implementing a chatbot for 24/7 customer support or using AI to personalize product recommendations. Selecting the right AI tools and platforms. Now that we've identified opportunities, it's time to choose the right tools. Don't worry, you don't need to build your own AI from scratch. There are plenty of user-friendly platforms designed for small businesses. For example, if you're looking to automate customer service, tools like Intercom or Zendesk offer AI-powered chatbots that are easy to set up and customize. For data analysis and business intelligence, platforms like Microsoft Power BI or Tableau can give you powerful insights without requiring a data science degree. The goal is to find tools that integrate seamlessly with your existing systems and don't require a complete overhaul of your operations. Implementing AI, a step-by-step approach. Alright, you've identified opportunities and chosen your tools. Now comes the exciting part, implementation. But don't worry, we're going to take this one step at a time. Start small, choose one area to focus on first. This allows you to learn and adjust without overwhelming your team. Prepare your data, AI needs data to work its magic. Make sure your data is organized and clean. Train your team, your employees are crucial to successful AI implementation. Provide them with the necessary training and support. Test and refine. Once you've implemented your AI solution, closely monitor its performance. Be prepared to make adjustments as needed. Scale gradually. As you see success in one area, start expanding AI to other parts of your business. Remember, implementing AI is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with the process and celebrate the small wins along the way. Measuring AI impact and ROI. I know what you're thinking, this all sounds great, but how do I know if it's actually making a difference? Great question. Measuring the impact of your AI implementation is crucial. Start by establishing baseline metrics before you implement AI. This could be things like customer response times, error rates, or time spent on specific tasks. After implementation, track these same metrics to see the improvement. Don't just focus on quantitative measures, though. Qualitative feedback from your team and customers can provide valuable insights into the impact of AI on your business. As for ROI, consider both the direct cost savings, like reduced labor hours, and the indirect benefits, like improved customer satisfaction leading to higher retention rates. With careful tracking, you'll likely find that your AI investment pays for itself many times over. Wrapping up, your AI journey starts now. Recap of AI implementation steps. Let's do a quick recap of what we've covered. Identify AI opportunities in your business. Select the right AI tools and platforms. Implement AI using a step-by-step approach. Measure the impact and ROI of your AI solutions. These steps are your roadmap to AI success. Take them one at a time, and you'll be amazed at the transformation in your business. The future of small businesses with AI. AI is the great equalizer for small businesses. It gives you the power to compete with larger companies and to work smarter, not harder. The future is bright for small businesses that embrace AI, and that future can start today, with you. Your turn, share your AI plans. Now, I want to hear from you. What AI opportunities have you identified in your business? What's your first step going to be? Share your thoughts and plans in the comments below. Let's learn from each other and grow together. Stay connected for more tech insights. This is just the beginning of your AI journey, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. Subscribe to this channel for more insights on AI and other tech trends that can revolutionize your small business. Remember, the future belongs to those who adapt. So, are you ready to take that first step into the world of AI? Your business's digital revolution starts now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.